In this series, we will show you how to do different first aid techniques, what you should have in your first aid kit, and how to minimise the risk of infection between you and the casualty. The topics covered in this series are first aid kit essentials, infection control, primary survey, CPR including AED, recovery position, choking, severe bleeding, burns and scalds, and tying a bandage. In this first aid video, we will show you what you should have in your first aid kit and why you should have them. There are lots of different types and sizes of first aid kits for cars, workplaces, the home, travelling, pets, children, etc. This is a work first aid kit. Whichever type you've got, they all have similar equipment. First of all, your first aid kit should have a leaflet, like this one, which explains what to do in an emergency. If it does, make sure you read it thoroughly and regularly. Your first aid kit should also have a checklist, usually on the inside of the lid or on the back, which shows what the kit contains. This one has both. Going on to the actual equipment, let's start with gloves. There are a few different types. These are powder-free nitrile gloves, latex-free and non-sterile. They also fit either hand. Resuscitation shields can be used during mouth-to-mouth to provide a hygienic barrier. Next, let's look at antiseptic wipes. These can be used to clean open wounds, removing dirt and preventing infection. Medical tape can be used to hold dressings in place. Find the end, unroll the length you need, measuring it if you need to, then cut to size. Dressings can be used to cover large open wounds. They come in various sizes. Here is a medium one and a large one. Here are two more types, a finger dressing and an eye dressing. Foil blankets can be used to keep a casualty warm. For example, if they are suffering from hypothermia or if they are waiting for an ambulance. Plasters are one of the most common items. These are wash-proof plasters in various sizes. Remember, always ask the casualty if they are allergic to plasters before applying one. Scissors can be used for cutting medical tape and bandages to size. Most importantly, for removing clothing around the injury site. There are also lots of different types of bandages. The blue ones shown here are for kitchen injuries. See Tying a Bandage video to learn how to tie one. Safety pins used to secure bandages in place. So that's the end of this first video. We hope you found the information in this video useful. Why not watch the next one, infection control?